Morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. Welcome to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. I'm going to talk about the trade that we are holding, that we were holding last week and we'll still be holding this week, and also the outlook I'll be looking out for next week. We had a couple of trades and we got stopped out also on AED USD. We got stopped out on AED USD on our first entry. Then we had the second entry and also the third and the fourth entry. So AED USD, we are very much bearish on AED USD and we are expecting the market to go to the downside, because as we can see on the monthly time frame, we are very much bearish on the monthly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, we are also very much bearish on the weekly time frame. As you can see, the market was bullish from here. Then we had a change of structure from here and a retracement. So we are very much bearish. We are very much bearish on AED USD, and also on the daily. We are also very much bearish on the daily, and we had a very clean reversal hammer, a bearish hammer, to indicate that sellers are in the market. So we are still very much bearish on AUD USD. I dropped the signals on my Telegram group even when we got stopped at the first time. I also did a video. I told them that we are still very much bearish, and I did the video. I dropped it on my inner community, and we are still holding this trade and we are expecting AUD USD to go bearish. We are expecting AUD USD to go bearish. Then BTC USD is also one of the outlook that I'll be looking out to trade next week. BTC USD, we are also very much bearish and we are expecting a retracement. To that resistance zone that was acting like a support before. So we are expecting a retracement from there to the downside. Then we will sell to the downside. But I'm also looking out to enter this counter trend buy. But I need the 4 hours to shift structure. And then maybe we are going to buy from somewhere here, our SL here, and then we target here before the sell. So I'm still waiting for a confirmation. For the counter trend buy, but I'm not really interested in this BTC USD counter trend buy. I'm only interested on the sell because we are having BTC USD very much bearish. So if I don't have a perfect entry on BTC USD, I'm not really looking out to trade BTC USD counter trend. So USD CHF, I also dropped this analysis on my Telegram, my inner circle, but I left the trade early because I was on AUD USD, and we have a very good switch of structure on the 4 hours, and we have a very nice reversal, bullish reversal candlestick trying to form on a daily, and we are expecting a change of structure on a daily time frame. For the market to go bullish. As you can see on the 4 hours, we had the market shifted so strongly. Like, we had a very strong shift of structure. from here. So we are still expecting the market to close below here. Whenever we are above this place we buy, whenever we are below here we sell. So for now we are still waiting for the market to come up here, and we are also waiting for the daily time frame to change structure to the upside. So AEDCHF, I dropped this. If you are following my YouTube video, you are going to see I dropped this analysis last week, and it played out so perfectly well. As we can see, we had the sniper entry, but I fucking missed this trade. And it was a nice trade, a nice change of structure, a nice break and retest. The trade was just so perfect, but I missed this trade, and it happens. USD JPY, we are very, very much bullish on this pair. You will see we have been looking at USD JPY. Like, I had an entry before. I had an entry the first time, second time, the third time. I got stopped out the second time, and I got an entry again the third time. So we are expecting the market to go bullish. But this is what I'm expecting from USD JPY. I'm expecting a retracement here a little before the big buy. So Monday we have a little retracement before the big buy. Then GBP USD, I'm expecting the market to go bearish. On BTC USD when this candlestick close below this point from next weekend. We wait for a retracement before we keep selling on GBP USD. We are still very, very, very much bearish on GBP USD. So, but next week, the only trade I'll be on next week is I'll be holding AUD USD. I'll still be holding AUD USD. We were on a trade on US 30. My last video I was talking about I was going to enter US 30, but US 30 didn't give me the entry I was looking for. It didn't give me the confluences I was looking for. So that's why I didn't take the trade, and I took another trade, which I took a loss, and also I got stopped out on AUD USD. But we had another entry and we are holding it to the downside. So I have my first entry here, I have my second entry, and I have my third entry. So I'm expecting the market to close below here, and then we have a retracement before we sell, before the market keeps dropping. So this is what I'm expecting on AUD USD. So if you are not following a Great Trading Lab, make sure you follow my YouTube, you subscribe to my YouTube, and you also join my Telegram channel, because I'm dropping free signals on my Telegram channel. And that is it. Thank you for your time. Have a good trading week ahead.